Yes, we are. We're out in the trail, and I'm a 9. And what are you?
I guess I'm a 10.
Yes, okay. So we're testing out the GoPro Hero 10 versus the 9 to see the new improvements.
That's right.
Let's put both cameras back to back and see what's new and which one is better, because basically every time they come up with a new one, it's not that different.
That's true. I've said that with the 7, 8, and 9, and now 10, so should I get the 10?
And the big selling point for the 10 right now is higher resolution and smoother, better stabilization, which they say with every model.
Right.
And we'll find out if this one is truly stabler than the models before. As a surfer, there's one feature that you're really excited about.
I'm really excited about it. They put this coating on the lens so you won't get those water spots, so I'm really interested to see how that works.
But I think the selling point they're pushing the hardest is hyper smooth 4.0 versus 3.0.
Okay.
And you're going to show everybody the difference between 9 and 10. You're going to jump on your bike.
That's right.
Again, Jan from AdventureMuse channel.
Woo!
Thanks for doing this.
You bet.
We're in Laguna Beach. So let's see your ride down the hill.
Okay, let's do it.
You couldn't tell the difference? Well, let's blow it up. Here's the 10 again, barreling down the hill, and now here's the 9. Looks pretty identical, doesn't it? Here on paved 3rd Avenue, you can see a slight difference, though maybe not in the back-to-back shots. I think you will be able to tell in the blow-up. This is pretty smooth on the 10 versus what you're about to see on the 9. Looks great, slightly shaky. GoPro promises a smoother slow motion. Looks kind of the same to me. And my opinion doesn't change when we do the blow up. I mean, the shot from the 9 is incredible. What do you think? Now, the faster processor of the new GoPro 10 is truly speedier, as you can tell when we press the shutter to take photos and they zip along much quicker. Now it's time for the water test. Jan will tell you all about it.
Okay, we are at the beach to try out the GoPro Hero 10's lens coating that they have. So on the 9, there's no coating. When you're in the water, when you're surfing, and you get the camera wet or the lens wet, sometimes there's like this smudge spot. So the 10, they added a coating, so we're gonna see if it works.
And as you can see from the spots, the coating works. GoPro promises a leveler for Hero 10 that will straighten out your horizons. That's why I'm doing those silly pictures where I'm moving the GoPro up and down. And it did remarkable. So I'm a fan of that new feature. The walk test is always hard because we don't walk smoothly. Here's an example of the 10 and the 9 back to back, but again, looks pretty identical.
Of course, the question everybody wants to know is, should they upgrade? Do they need to upgrade? Do they have to upgrade? Do they have to shell out $400 to $500 every year? And of course, I would say not if you have a 9.
Yeah, it totally depends. With each model, they're gonna get better, and I have a lot. I have a good collection of them. I have the 7, 8, and 9. And each one, it is just a little bit better, and I haven't regretted my upgrade, but if you have the 9, you don't really need the 10.
Yeah, if you have the 7, definitely.
7 or 8, upgrade. But the 9's awesome.
You liked the water spots going away, but...
Yeah. But I could just buy the lens, because it's the same body, it's the same camera and the same lens, so I could buy the lens from GoPro and put it on, but then I'm investing more money in an older camera, so, it depends.
Yeah. But either way, it's a great camera. If you're new to GoPro, this is the one to get, for sure. Thanks everybody for watching here from Laguna Beach with Jan Schrieber, the AdventureMuse.
Me.
At AdventureMuse YouTube channel. I'm Jefferson Graham again. If you have any questions, any concerns, look for me on Twitter, Instagram, at Jefferson Graham. Please subscribe.